Learning 3D jewelry modeling is the best investment you can do. In this video, I will show you how to create a basic channel set ring. If you need a gemstones for this project, you can download it for free. I will leave a link in the descriptions. Alright guys, let's start to make our ring. Make sure you are working in millimeter, and we are going to take our circle, jump into our front view, and place the center of our circle on the center axis by pressing 0 on your keyboard. Hit enter. Let's make a ring of a diameter of 16.1 millimeter, and then just hold shift and press enter on your keyboard. Alright, let's take our diamond and import into our project, and select import file and click OK. Now we are going to resize our diamond by enable our gimbal first, and press and hold shift on your keyboard and select any of these little handle. It's going to bring a dialog, and then just resize it to 2 millimeter. Press enter. Alright, now we can create our band ring, and I want to make a band ring of the size of 1.8 millimeter. However, I'm going to add 0.15 millimeter to allow some shrinkage for the cleaning and polishing process. Right, let's select our circle and type offset on your keyboard. Press enter. For the distance, we are going to put 1.95 millimeter, and make sure you offset it on the outside of the circle, and then just left click on your mouse. Right, next step, let's move up our diamond. Deselect the grid snap, select the diamond, and move up close to the circle we just made. Just about here, it is fine. Alright, the next step is to put this gemstone all around our band ring, and we are going to do this with the ArrayPolar function. Just search for the ArrayPolar on your command, press enter, select the center of the polar array, which is going to be 0, press enter, and let's select the numbers of item, which is our diamond. So for this project, I've already figured it out. It's about 28 diamonds. Press enter, and the angle to fill our first reference point. So this is going to be all around our band ring, which is 360 degree, and then press enter once again. So 28 is just right, because it gives us like enough space and it is not too close. Alright, now we can create a profile for our band ring, but first of all, let's select all of our gemstones. Make sure you select only the gemstones, and we are going to transfer it to another layer by going to the layer window and select the red layer, and then right click on your mouse and select change object layer, and then click on the light bulb to hide it. So we are going to draw our band by using the line command. Press enter, and the difference between the line and the polyline is that the line allows us to select the both side option that can draw a mirrored line. Alright, let's select our line tool once again. Press enter. Make sure you select both sides, and we are going to snap the middle of our line on the front view green axis and bottom circle. Now we have to switch to the right view mode, and for the distance we are going to create a band ring of 3 millimeter, because we know that our gemstones measure 2 millimeter, so we add 1 more millimeter, which is 3, but we also need to account for the shrinkage of the polishing and cleaning, so we're going to add 0.15, so the total is 3.15, but we are going to divide it by 2 because the line is drawing mirror side, and press enter. Now let's duplicate this line to the top circle. So we're going to press and hold Alt on your keyboard and select this green arrow, and on the dialog we are going to type 1.95 and then press enter. So now let's close it to make a box with our polyline. Let's bring back our gemstones and see how it looks. Let's change the view to shaded mode, and we can go ahead and delete this line because we are going to draw a new line. So let's turn off our grid snap and snap our new line on the end right here, and we are going to slightly overlap this line about 15% on our diamond. Press and hold shift and then just place the end of the line about here. Now we can go ahead and mirror this to the other side. Okay, now we're going to draw a new line, which is going to be from here to here. This is going to be a guideline. I'm going to select this line and move it down about here on the middle. It doesn't have to be like precise. And then let's hide our gemstones and simply close the opening. So now we can join all the curves we just made by clicking on the join icon, or just type join on your keyboard. Alright, once we have our closed curves, you can check it on the properties tab. It is said closed curve. We can go ahead and just sweep this curve to the rail by typing sweep one rail, press enter, select our rail and the object to sweep and press enter, enter once again, and OK. And let's bring back our gemstones, and this is the result of what we made. And make sure you check the next video, which we are going to customize, the shape of our band rings. If you are watching this video to here, congratulations my friend. In my next video I will show you how you can refine this ring.